In this tutorial, I'll show you how to build a reusable Microsoft Visio drawing template with standardized backgrounds, automated title block fields, page numbering, and revision control. Once configured, key drawing information can be updated once and propagated throughout the drawing set. Let's get started. Let's configure initial drawing environment. First, open Visio, select blank drawing, and press Create. Next, enable Developer tab. Go to File Options and Customize ribbon and set Developer to Checked. Then, configure default font and shape settings. Under Developer tab, Show Hide section, set Drawing Explorer to Checked. Under Styles, right-click on Theme and select Define Styles. Press Text and set desired font and font size. Press Shape and Underline, set Width to 0, and begin arrow size and end arrow size to very small. Close Drawing Explorer task pane. After that, configure Page Settings. Under Design tab, Page Setup section. Set Orientation to Landscape. Press Size and select more page sizes and configure page size and layout and routing tabs. Finally, configure Snap and Glue settings. Open Snap and Glue window and configure General and Advanced tabs. Now let's create first background page. First, right-click on Page 1 and select Insert. Next, set Type to Background and enter desired name. Then, open Title Blocks, stencil on Shapes task pane. From Shapes task pane, press More Shapes, navigate to Visio Extras, and select Title Blocks. After that, add zones. From Shapes task pane, Title Blocks, drag and drop Zones 8 shape onto page. Adjust zone thickness by moving bottom left control point left or right. Change font size. Finally, add frame. From Shapes task pane, Title Blocks, drag and drop frame shape onto page. In this step, let's create main title block. For reliable metadata propagation, we'll use a specific sequence, that is creating title block master, linking metadata inside that master, and placing master onto background page. First, create main title block for B1 background page. From Shapes task pane, Title Blocks, drag and drop block side label shape onto page. Next, set default shape settings. Under Developer tab, Show Hide section, set Drawing Explorer to Checked. Under Styles, right-click on Block and select Define Styles. Press Shape and Underline, set Width to 0. Close Drawing Explorer task pane. Then, change size by using Size and Position task pane. After that, rename shape. Quick note. When you use block top label shape and reduce its height, text may extend below border. If that occurs, adjust line spacing. From there, add title block to document stencil. Select entire title block and press Ctrl-G to group selected shapes. Rename shape. Enable document stencil. Under Developer tab, Show Hide section, set document stencil to Checked. Delete all shapes in document stencil. Drag and drop title block from page onto document stencil and rename it. Following that, connect title block to document metadata. In document stencil, double-click on title block 1 master shape. Double-click on desired field and insert field. Set category to document info and field name to desired property. Use same process to configure the drawn by, title, and cage code fields with appropriate document info information. Once that's done, automate page numbering. On title block, double-click on sheet, select page number and insert field. Set category to page info and field name to page number. Select number of pages and insert field. Set category to page info and field name to number of pages. Close Shapes window and select Yes. Finally, add title block to background page. From Document Stencil, drag and drop title block, master shape onto page, and move it to desired position. Let's create revision block. First, from Shape's task pane, title blocks, drag and drop section header shape onto page. Next, change size and font size. Then, select entire revision block and press Ctrl-G to group selected shapes. After that, rename grouped shape. From there, drag and drop revision block from page onto Document Stencil and rename it. Finally, from Document Stencil, drag and drop revision block master shape onto page and move it to desired position. Now let's create revision shape. First, press Ctrl-8 to enable rectangle tool. Next, add shape to page. Then, change size and text alignment. After that, rename shape. Finally, drag and drop revision shape onto Document Stencil and rename it. In this step, let's create background page for follow-on sheets. First, right-click on B1 background page and select Duplicate. Next, rename background page. Then select title block and press Ctrl-Shift-U to ungroup. After that, delete unwanted shapes. From there, select entire title block and press Ctrl-G to group selected shapes. Following that, rename shape. Once that's done, drag and drop title block onto Document Stencil and rename it. Finally, from Document Stencil, drag and drop title block 2, shape onto page, and move it to desired position. Let's lock background pages from accidental moves and changes. First, press Ctrl-A to select everything on page. Next, under Developer tab, Shape Design section, press Protection and select None. Finally, press Protection and select All. Now, let's apply background pages to sheets. First, right-click on Page tab and select Page Setup. Next, set background to desired background page. Then create second page and apply B2 background page to it. After that, clean up Document Stencil by deleting unwanted shapes. Finally, close title blocks stencil. In this step, let's add one more level of automation by creating centralized revision field. First, add user-defined cell in Document's ShapeSheet. Under Developer tab, Shape Design section, press Show ShapeSheet and select Document. In ShapeSheet window, User-Defined Cells section, right-click on any existing row and select Insert Row. Rename User-Defined Cell. Set value to latest revision. Must be entered inside quotation marks. Close ShapeSheet window. Next, update title block master shape. In Document Stencil, double-click on title block master shape. Double-click on Rev to select text and insert field. Set category to custom formula and enter custom formula. Close master shape window and select Yes. Let's add template to Microsoft Templates folder. First, go to File, press Save As, and select Browse. Next, navigate to Templates directory. Then, enter desired file name. Finally, set Save As Type to Visio Template and press Save. Lastly, let's confirm that template works as intended. First, open Visio, press More Templates, and select Personal. Next, select Visio Drawing Template and press Create. Finally, enter drawing metadata. Under Developer tab, Control section, press Properties. Enter required document information and close Properties window. That completes the Visio Drawing Template tutorial. You can download the completed template using the link in the description. Subscribe for more practical Visio and engineering drawing tutorials.